Bensouda. Okay.
Honorable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. I would want to seek for clarification and give my view on this issue. One, Speaker, we need to take a 13th Parliament to stop giving the public mixed reactions and mixed signals on issues. And therefore, court rulings must be respected. Mr. Speaker, you know very well when there was the ruling on the wild goose chase, hot air and the rest, it was respected. When we are in this house, Mr. Speaker, as legislatures, as lawmakers, I would want to support our colleagues who have requested you to guide and give us direction so that it is not for only members at this particular moment, but even for the years to come. When we undergo such kind of eventualities, things are set straight and pace is set. I want to appreciate the 6 facts on the ruling that the Speaker has conflict on interest. I was convinced with your 6 facts. But coming to the majority, party or position, Mr. Speaker, as I stand, you can see that I am and we are broadly competent and broadly majority. Even from the physical outlook, I'm the majority. I want to say, Mr. Speaker, that this matter should be put... Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Majority is not judged by body morphology.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It was intentional, but even the brain is majority. Mr. Speaker, I want to say that even the level that we have reached as a country, Honorable Junet Mohammed has navigated the river Niles and made sure that we are fully represented and there is peace. So this issue of mixed signals should not be there. Mr. Speaker, I say there is nothing wrong